Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this fault code here, P0544, exhaust gas temperature sensor, bank 1, sensor 1, circuit voltage below threshold. Now, what we would say, this is the 1.5 a Renault engine, this is Infinity, okay? This will be in the Renault, the Mercedes, the BMW, it's the same engine, probably same fault code, same code maybe. I'm just going to show you where to find this sensor. It's pretty easy and it's a DIY job. You don't need anyone else's help other than you need a ratchet and some sort of special socket. Where to find the sensor first? So you come around to the engine side. It's this, as far as I know. I mean, I could be wrong, but correct me, guys. It's this one here. There's a yellow brownie one here. You chase this wiring, okay, and it comes to the back of the engine. Here is this red wire. You see this red wire? This one here. And if we go in like this, you can see where it goes to. That's it there. It's the one on the left. That's the sensor number 1. Now, sensor number 1, don't know if we can see it from here. There it is. It's this one here. That one. And that one, as we said, is the wiring. A wide angle view, I'm just going to show you. It's there. It's that first one on the left, as you can see. And that's the red wire into it, and that red wire does go all the way back, and there it chases back to that sensor. It would be literally a case of plug and play. You can reset the EGR and whatnot. I mean, we can clear it on here, but the engine management light's on. See if it goes away. It does go away, but it'll come back once it's triggered. It seems to be a faulty sensor, but that's where to find it. It's a bit hard to put your hand in, but you know what, once you've done it, it'll be a piece of cake if you ask me. And then just reset it with a diagnostic machine. Done and dusted.